I'm Tricia with Strategic Practice Solutions, and I'm here to basically tell you about our company. Have you ever gone home after a long day and just said, why am I working so hard? Where am I going with all this? And your cash flow is not there? Have you ever had a day where at the end of the day you're saying to yourself, why can't the team just get it? Why can't they just collect when they're supposed to collect, do what they're supposed to do, and have the patient have an experience that they're wonderful and they're going to invite other people here? Do you ever understand how you can grow your practice? You know, with the challenges in today's economy, definitely the office needs to change. There's no choice about it. However, how do you start doing that? Where do you start? And who do you trust? So we're here to tell you about our systems. We're here to help you with our solutions once we identify what your needs are. It could be as simple as trying to grow your hygiene department, increase your cash flow, have more time off and go on vacation, or grow your practice from $1 million practice to a $5 million practice. We have a solution for you. Call one of our representatives today. Don't wait any longer. We're here to help you.